look around.
So I've already done my base makeup and brows, so let's just jump straight into the eyes. So for the eyes, I'm using this beautiful eyeshadow palette, and I love this eyeshadow palette so much because it's so pigmented and there are so many colors to play with. So starting off, I'm using this apricot shade right here all over my lids as a base. Next, I'm applying this very beautiful shimmery peachy orange shade called Starseed on my upper lids. The color payoff is really good and it glides on very easily even applying with your fingers, and it doesn't have any fallouts although it's a shimmering shade, which is really amazing. Next, I'm taking the shade Volcanic and putting it onto the outer thirds of my eyes as well as a little bit on the inner thirds of my eyes. And of course, I'm blending out the harsh edges with a fluffy brush. Now to intensify the look, I'm going back to Starseed again and pat it onto the center of my lids. And now I'm smudging Volcanic onto the lower lash line. To highlight the inner corners, I'm taking Candle, which is a pearly shimmery shade. Instead of using a liquid eyeliner, I'm using a flat brush and I'm smudging the shade Edge, which is a dark brown shade, onto my upper lash line as an eyeliner, and this creates an illusion of having thicker and fuller lashes, and it also adds depth into the eyes. Now I'm highlighting my brow bone using the shade called Basic from the same palette. And I'm completing my eye makeup with a few coats of mascara. For the blush and highlighter, I'm using the beautiful Dual Starlight blush palette in Pink Party, and this pink hue makes your skin look brighter and fairer, and also the powder feels super soft and smooth on my face. It is also super pigmented, so a little definitely goes a long way. And moving on to accentuate my features, I'm applying the highlighting shade on my T-zone as well as my cheekbones, and I love how this highlighter blends well into my skin and bring out a natural healthy glow. And here I'm just doing my usual contouring. Finally, for my lips, I'm applying this classic red lip lacquer called Love Magic from BEYOUTIFUL, and the formula is super long lasting and the color payoff is really rich and bright. So I'm just focusing this product on the center and inner part of my lips, and I'm feathering it out with my fingers. Oh yeah, all the products from BEYOUTIFUL are non-animal tested and 100% made in Taiwan. So that is the final look. I really love this look because it's really sweet and perfect for the Valentine's Day. And I will link all the products in the description box below, and you guys should definitely check out BEYOUTIFUL collection from AIRSPACE. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this makeup tutorial, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye! Be beautiful. Be you, and you are beautiful.